You ever see someone and wonder, where are they really from? Like, are they truly American, or do their roots run deeper? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Raiz, exploring the complexities of identity and the ever-evolving definition of American. Now, Raiz, that's a name that might not immediately scream all-American. It's got that Latin flair, that hint of something exotic. But here's the thing, America is a melting pot, a vibrant tapestry woven from threads of countless cultures. We're a nation built by immigrants, shaped by generations of people who dared to dream a new life on these shores. So, can someone with a name like Raiz truly be considered American? Let's break it down. What exactly makes someone American? Is it where you were born? Your citizenship? Your accent? Your cultural background? The truth is, it's a multifaceted question with no easy answers. Think about it. Barack Obama, born in Hawaii to a Kenyan father and an American mother. American, right? Arnold Schwarzenegger, Austrian-born, became a Hollywood icon and then governor of California. American? Absolutely. Priyanka Chopra Jonas, an Indian actress who found global fame in Hollywood. Is she American? Well, she's an American citizen now, married to an American, and a successful Hollywood star. So, does that make her American? These examples highlight the fluidity of the concept of American. It's not just about birthplace or lineage. It's about belonging, about contributing to the fabric of this nation, about embracing the American dream, whatever that may mean to you. Now, let's talk about Raiz. If Raiz was born and raised in the United States, if they're a proud citizen, if they contribute to their community, if they embody the values of freedom, opportunity, and equality, then yes, absolutely, Raiz is American. Their name might have roots in another culture, but their identity is shaped by their experiences in America. They're part of the American story, a unique chapter in the ongoing narrative of this diverse nation. Some might argue that true Americans have to look a certain way, or have a certain lineage. But that's a narrow and outdated view of America. America is about more than just bloodlines. It's about ideas, about the pursuit of happiness, about the promise of a better life for all. Ultimately, whether someone is American is a personal and subjective question. There's no single right or wrong answer. What matters most is how someone identifies themselves and how they contribute to society. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.